Hello lovelies, greetings and welcome to my channel. So today's video I just want to show you guys how to make a lightening and a glowing oil. First of all guys, this oil is a glowing oil, a brightening oil. Is not a whitening or bleaching oil. This oil is made naturally for all skin type. If you want to glow naturally, you can go ahead and do this. So because what we are using are all organic and natural. First of all, we have sea buckthorn oil, and we have Wheatgerm oil and carrot seed oil. And the next thing guys, we have our orange buckthorn oil, and what I will be adding guys is also castor oil. You all know that I don't do without castor oil. Whatever I'm doing, I love adding castor oil and olive oil to moisturize your skin. So these are the things we actually need. For those of you who want to glow, I'll advise you, whatever you are doing, please try to add carrot seed oil. So because carrot seed oil is really nice because it do contain vitamin E that can easily help brighten up your skin, and so as sea buckthorn oil is really good as well. Make sure if you are going for this, make sure you go for the original one. I heard that there is original and there is fake one, but the lady that gave me this, I trust her and she's really good in whatever she's selling out. So what we're doing right now guys, we just go ahead and make sure. So guys, what we need is just 300 ml. So that is just enough for just me and a friend. So guys, keep on watching. Let's mix it together. As you can see, I'm done. I will just go ahead and turn it inside my empty can. So guys, this is just it, and probably I will be giving out some to a friend. For now, I'm not selling it guys. It's just for my own personal use, and I'm not selling it for the now guys. It's just for my own personal use. So guys, thank you guys for your time, and I so much appreciate you all. And so I'm done. Thank you guys for your time, and if you want to apply this, you can use it just like this before putting in your body cream, or you can as well use it like this in the evening, not in the afternoon guys. You know, lightening oil is not advisable for you to use in the afternoon, but you can use this though because of the ingredients I use on it. So you can as well mix it with your cream. It's still going to give you a glowing and lightning tone. Thank you guys. for your time, and I so much appreciate. Do have a blessed and a wonderful day. If you love this video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thank you guys for your amazing time. May God bless you all. Do have a blessed and a wonderful night rest. Bye bye.